Well, thanks for visiting us this morning at KTALnews.com. I'm meteorologist Josh Marces, and this is your Wednesday morning forecast update. Should be another pleasant but warm day today. We do have another 24 hours or so of relatively low humidity, so if you're doing some things outside, will be nice this morning. Pretty warm this afternoon, and we continue to watch that system in the Gulf of Mexico. Still just an area of low pressure, but about a medium chance it will develop into a tropical depression in the next day or two. And regardless of this thing strengthening or kind of where it goes, it will likely be close enough that we will pull some of the tropical air off of it Thursday through Sunday. That will result in some rain and keep us 80s and low 90s through the weekend, but we are looking at the rain drying up early next week, so it is setting up to be a fairly hot 4th of July. Now this morning we're in the 60s as well as the low 70s, low humidity, so it feels pretty nice again this morning. Your temperatures this afternoon probably a degree or two warmer than yesterday, so that puts most of us in the low to mid 90s today, and the winds will still be out of the northeast today, so that will cut down on the humidity, but the south wind coming back later tonight will start to crank the tropical air back up in the upcoming days, and you can see things getting busy down along the coastline here. That area of low pressure continues to spin towards the Texas coastline, looking pretty good on satellite this morning, so we know the thunderstorms that are associated with this system really starting to get going. It is starting to get better organized here, but it just kind of runs out of Gulf water to feed off of in the next day or two. So if this does strengthen, it's possible, again, it could become just a weak tropical depression. All signs kind of point to this sliding up through central and east Texas, but we'll be close enough to it. We'll likely see kind of an enhanced sea breeze effect in the upcoming days. So taking a look at futurecasts, we'll go through Friday here. Again, today, likely a mostly sunny to partly cloudy day, but you can see some of the rain starting to approach us this afternoon. Have included a slight chance of showers south of I-20 today. More likely we'll get a better push from the sea breeze tomorrow, so you'll see some of these scattered storms pushing in Thursday afternoon into Thursday night, and we'll likely see a repeat of this likely Friday into Saturday. I think the coverage of the rain still to be determined here, but a pretty decent chance we'll see some afternoon rain Thursday through Sunday. You'd think we'd see some higher totals, but honestly it looks like the rain is going to stay on the light side for us. Anywhere in green, that's showing about an inch or less of rain. Where you see the blue, it's kind of our bullseye where we could see 1 to 2 inches of rain. Definitely needed at this point. We've really dried out so far this month, so if we get an inch or two of rain, that would definitely help out, and the rain should help out with the temperatures a bit as well. We'll be in the 80s and low 90s basically tomorrow through the weekend. We do start to dry out 4th of July, so it's looking to be a pretty warm 4th. In fact, with the humidity behind this tropical system, we could see some heat advisories come back either on the 4th or maybe next Tuesday as well. Looks like we'll heat up through the middle of next week.